facility one time that I was visiting for my job, traveling around, and it was called the engineering building. All our engineers were there, but then the manufacturing floor was all the new equipment that we would bring in and test out, maybe build ourselves and then send to the manufacturing plants. During the tour, it was about 4 o'clock, and we came across a pit. So the material that was not used would be grinded in this pit. And outside was a button, and I said to my EHS manager, well, let's push the button and see what happens, because what EHS person doesn't want to go push buttons and see what happens? So we pushed the button and an alarm went off, and we waited and we waited and we waited, and people walked by and nothing happened. So I called our security director and I asked him, hey, there's this alarm in this building and nothing's happening. What's supposed to happen? And he advised that the security team on campus was supposed to be notified and immediately come to the premises. Well, I said, it's been 10 minutes. So we did investigating. That line never got called to the appropriate team member. What that button did was supposed to be for a confined space when someone was injured and needed assistance. So there were people walking by us and never came to assist. So people didn't know what that alarm was, didn't go to the right place. When the security guard was informed, he came running thinking someone had died. So he was not sure what had happened as well. So when it came time to turn off the alarm, no one could figure out how to turn off the alarm. So it continued to go on. So we were tracing wires in the ceiling, therefore leaving the area where you would enter the pit. When we came back, 2 employees were trying to enter the pit to go see what was going on. So if it truly was a confined space emergency, they also would have fell victim. And I laughed because they were so proud of their policy. They had a pamphlet and work instruction next to the entryway. But I told them none of it makes sense, or nor does it matter if when it actually happens, no one knows what to do and it doesn't work, right? So did they review the policy annually? Yes, they did. But they did not test it and or train people on that when they came to the building.